Hey, this is Terry, and what I want to talk about in this video is the i15 Prisma integrated amp and network player and the SC15 preamplifier and network player. Now, they obviously look very similar. In fact, they share many features, but there are some distinctive differences that make them adaptable to the system that may be required. And so with the i15 Prisma, it is an integrated amplifier and has a very powerful Hypex output module that's driven by our power supply and input stage to provide really full, robust, rich, and detailed sound, far belying the physical size of the cabinet in its ability to drive even the largest of speakers in very large rooms. It also has a wonderful D-to-A conversion stage in it that is then tied to the Prisma technology bundle. Now, Prisma is a wide variety of things. It's a control app that allows us to control the digital media library you might have stored on a large-scale hard drive, as well as then reach out into the internet and pull virtually any streaming service in for playback and enjoyment to explore, discover, and share music. And we have things like Bluetooth for very easy, informal connection from a mobile device. We have higher resolution formats like AirPlay, Spotify Connect, and Chromecast built in, which allows us access to over 160 music streaming services, many of them high resolution such as Tidal Hi-Fi and Qobuz. And with that Chromecast built-in technology, we have a couple of features that make it extraordinarily useful. The first, the Google Home application, allows us to really easily, for anyone to easily set this up within your home network for the greatest level of functionality. And then once that's set up, not only can you control this with your mobile phone, an iPad, etc., but you can use voice control with a Google Home speaker and Google Assistant. And so what that means then is that any member of the household can really take advantage of the wonderful, rich reproduction that this integrated amplifier network player can provide. Now for the SC15, it offers all of that same functionality, except it does not have the integrated amplifier. What it has is an analog output that you can set to either fixed or variable. In fixed mode, it acts as essentially a source to be connected to, say, another integrated amplifier or preamplifier. In variable mode, it acts as a preamplifier. And where the distinctive differences happen is how you then connect to a speaker. You can either obviously connect using low-level output to a powered speaker through wired, or, most interestingly, we have the WISA wireless speaker module. Now, WISA is a high-resolution exchange, wireless exchange between product and speaker. And at 2496, it means that it's higher resolution than CD quality, and with minimal latency, meaning that the signal gets to the speakers at essentially the same time. You have precise, controlled, detailed sound at the same level that you would have with a normally wired connected loudspeaker, but with the advantage of it being wireless. And so both of these products can fit the specific needs of virtually any system, and do so housed in our compact 3/4 size cabinets so that they can more easily and effortlessly fit into any listening or living room environment. And as I've mentioned before, anyone in the household can use and access with comfort and ease. For more specifics as far as specifications and detailed information, go to primare.net.